I'll be with you in just a moment.
Right.
Listen, you boys just take your time. I mean, I figure the longer you look, the more sure you'll be that I get a better deal than that. If you got any questions, well, you just give me a holler. They ain't gonna buy anything. You know, I get their kind in here a dozen times a day.
Yeah, well, I was looking for Mr. Chalco.
Well, you found him, and you got my attention, too, but I got to keep my eye on them, too, out there. If I don't, they'll have that thing stripped down in 5 minutes, and there's not a thing I can do about it. If I ask them to leave, they start bellowing about their civil rights. Well, what about my civil rights? That's what I'd like to know.
Yeah, well, my name is Taggart, Mr. Chalco.
Yeah, happy to know you, Mr. Taggart. You know, I don't know where they come from. You can hear them coming, you can see them coming, you can smell them coming.
Yeah, well, look, Mr. Chalco.
Listen, you boys come back any time here. Boy, if they're figuring on knocking this place over, they are in for one big surprise. I have got more burglar alarms here than got bikes. Well, listen, what can I do for you? If you don't see it, just ask for it.
Yeah, well, I'm not in the market for a bike right now, but what I do have is a business proposition.
You mean you're selling? Well, why didn't you say so? I got no time to...
For something that stands a chance to make us both some money, huh? Give you a good image and promote good community relations, huh? See, I've been checking out Reedy's Ready Sir, and, well, it's not official yet, but you may be looking at the new owner.
Oh, you bought Bob's old place. Just how's that supposed to make me money?